In this video, I want to talk about how you can get your tax documents in Webull. Now you can do this from the website and you can also do this from the app on your phone. But what you need to do is you want to make sure that you have an open account. You can only open the account inside of the US. And once you've done that, you want to log into it. Then if you're on your phone, what you want to do is go to the menu icon, select account and look for tax documents. In there, you can just filter it out by the year, and then you can download the forms that you want to download. If you're on your PC, you want to head over to webull.com/edocs, which is your e-documents. And then you just want to log in. And once you've done that, you should be able to find the tax documents section. And there you can just download like on the phone. So that is how it's done, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.